Hi guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is part 2 of the Supermoto track day. I'm about to pick up James, and then we go pick up Oli, and then we go to Paul's place to get the van, get the trailer, get the 2 bikes, and then we just go to the track. So enjoy, see you later. James is coming, James is coming, James. Oh, hello.
Good morning, Matt.
Good morning, James, how are you? Picking up Oli. Hello, Oli.
How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Super early.
Are you awake? Hi, bald head.
Yeah, I know. Shaved it too.
Yeah, I shaved mine too. To pick up Paul. Good morning, Paul. You ready?
Yes, I can get this on my foot.
Oh, true. To the packed van. Paul, you look very fit, man.
I'm not.
Paul's gonna tell you later how he broke his foot.
Nah, that's
No,
gonna
okay.
stay a secret.
Bikes! Let's go!
Ready?
Oh, you're so cool. Where's Paul? Paul! Hello. Alright guys, we'll quickly stop at the petrol station. Oli's coming back. We all filled up the van and the bikes. And yeah, we keep on driving and let's go to the track. Hello, Oli.
I'll have to go again when we get there, you know.
That's okay. How you walk?
Yeah.
So Paul, do you think you fit?
Fully. I'm pumped.
So we had the track, it's loud, everybody's here, happy.
You're so shaky.
Huh?
You're so shaky.
I'm scared.
From the top. Okay. Drop that. Yeah. Feel the funk, y'all. Yeah. Feel the funk, y'all. Yeah. And lay back in the cut. What's up? What's up?
From Alpha to Omega, VHS to Beta, PlayStation to Sega, my skill is still greater. The sickest thing since VD, wicked like VG. Live my life crooked like the left finger on ET. Please believe me, this be the realest thing I ever wrote. Right after talking to Pac, puffing on heavy smoke. Laugh now, cry later. My only dream in life was to rock a mic up in front of you spectators and rock shell toes, not gators. Show love, not haters. I'm switching over like crossfaders to a better time and place where it's safe, and they can't judge a nigga by the color of his face, but by the content of the way that I spit these letters. I'm kicking it with white boys in old navy sweaters, ball cap low on my eye, cause sometimes I'm listening to my style so much, I'm just trying to get by, I'm just saying. For real, I'm just saying.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you all out to a musical extravaganza called the Night and Day Project. Please save your applause to the end.
I'm in the AC, cooler than I ever was. I went from bubbling to a better buzz. Hey, check this, cuz I did it with no.
Little problem, little accident.
We're helping.
So what actually happened, Bruce? Well, came into the curve a little bit too fast, so I had to go like really down a lot, and then I just re-accelerated way too fast or way too much and did a little bit of a high side. It's just flying over the bike, and I think that I did land on the bike. See? It's nice. Yeah. Nice hickey. Could not breathe for a little while, but now I'm fine. But the bars are not so good, so trying to fix it up.
So you hammer the screw straight and you'll get back out there, huh?
Yes. Let's see if it's working. Let's see if we can ride again or if it's the end of the day. So guys, what is your impression, Oli? Do you like it?
It was good, yeah.
So that's all you have to say. All the time he's like, I love it, it's so cool now. Yeah, it was okay. Chase, what do you think? Do you like filming?
I'd rather be riding, limping around filming.
Also, ciao, ciao.
The pink superhero. Hi Paul, the pink
That's
superhero.
Aha.
Alright, bro, so dig this. We come out the bar, it's already like 3 o'clock in the morning. We standing in the middle of the parking lot drunk as shit. She talking about, let's go back to the car, I got a 6-pack in the trunk. I'm like, think you know me, but you don't be. Better back the fuck up off me. You soft G, I'm the boss B. Tryna double cross me, it's costly. I'm the coldest, and you know this. When I wrote this, I was focused. Now I'm laughing and I'm walking. Ain't got time for the talking. You hoping and wishing that I ain't gon' start with the dissing. You holding and folding. This chance right here is golden. Yeah, I'm the chosen and the broken, steaming hot and smoking. You choking and coughing. This right here is awesome. I'm the freshest and the flyest on the mic device. I'm like poltergeist, and I say it twice if I need to do it, cause your energy is gonna get me through it. Day and night, night and day. This is what I came to say. Live now to see another day. Speak now or hold your peace today. I say, what you gon' do with this? What you gon' do with this? What you gon' do with this? Right here, I say, what you gon' do with this? What you gon' do with this? What you gon' do with this? Right here, bring it down. Okay, now we had a whole lot of MCs on this stage here tonight, but I want y'all to know one thing. This is my motherfucking house. Feel the bass line in the drum kit. This right here, that dumb shit. Put you in the eye, slap you in the mouth, jab you in your rib quick. Feel the funk, keep the pace. Now we all
Alright guys, so that's about it. We're done with the day. What did you guys think?
Awesome day.
Awesome!
Perfect.
Was okay. I had
It was okay
better.
for Oli.
It was okay. Oli says he had better, but that was okay. Now we all had a blast. It was pretty awesome. We're gonna have a cool ride back home. It's a bit of a sunset. So yeah, we'll just let you enjoy the ride and see you later. Bye bye.
This my part where I start to shine. I wanna jump on everything, I wanna make it mine. I said this my part where I start to shine. I wanna jump on everything and try to make it mine. I say,